Seriously, I was out, I had my guns in the air, I had that on my head, and I was still getting lit up by my own guys and them. No, and then, like, my first game, I got marked, so I had to sit out the second game, because we were coming out and we were leaving the field. And I lifted up my mask to wipe my eyes off, and the ref looked at me, he's like, mask on! I'm like, okay. So I put it back on, he's like, let me see your wrist, he marks me, he's like, you got to sit out the next game. Really?
Like, what a dick!
Yeah, because I literally just went like this, wiped my eyes, and then put it back as soon as he said it.
I got a gun.
Like, you don't have a gun. Oh. We were,
Aiden!
I got extras.
Aiden! Hey, are you using the aftermath pistol?
Yeah.
What, are you using the 5.7?
Yeah.
Alright, well, fuck you too then.
Why?
Then, are you using your shotgun?
Wait, do you need a gun to borrow? Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
that's what he's trying to get at.
I wasn't gonna let Caleb borrow shit.
And that's exactly why I wasn't on your team yesterday.
Alright, we're gonna get ready to play some zombie.
There were some zombies in Willows, right?
The zombies up here, I thought. Yeah, zombies
Here.
up here. It's team deathmatch, and then if you die, you're a zombie, and you're against.
Alright, where's the zombie point out here?
Zombie, you come back. You go to the tree if you're a zombie. Ready! Ready! Go! On up top! Right side of the hill. Ridge line. Right in front of you, Kenny. One in the trees! I thought it was enemy fire. One in the trees. Yeah, it's CO2. I'll change. Move up to that monkey. Hello? Yeah. Reloading.
Jonah, watch your right.
Top of the hill, right there. You gotta watch your zombies. Top of the hill. Move up to the top of the hill, Jonah. There you go.
They're already coming up.
We need you to be able to see. Let us know where they're coming from. You're our overwatch, bro.
I died. I gotta respawn, huh?
You're a zombie. If I turned into a zombie, I would go for the guys at the trees, but that's just me. That's just me.
Okay, I got hit right there.
Got him, Kenny.
Where'd he go?
I didn't get him soon enough, Kenny. I apologize.
It's all good.
You just go to the tree and you're back in. Yeah, I would definitely go for those guys in those trees if I was a zombie. Just saying. Just saying. Caleb's falling back!
There's still Chucky in the grass, yeah?
No, I killed Chucky.
Oh.
Okay. Hustle, I got you covered. Alright, I need you to go out the back door and recon how many friendlies we have over on our flank still. And come back and report. Thank you. Is that friendly? That's Robert, yeah. I almost lit you up, Robert.
Oh, sorry. I almost threw a knife at you.
What do you see?
I thought you were going straight ahead of me.
Two straight ahead?
Yes, I know. So if you want to kill me, just come tag me.
Alright, keep an eye on Kaylin. I'm gonna go help Robert on the top of the hill, okay? Let me know if you see.
Whoa, zombie.
Where?
Right in front of us.
Get that. So they're over there.
Over where? Over there?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, time to bounce, guys. We've
Wait.
We've eliminated the enemy team, but it's time for us to go.
Wait.
You better get ready, dude. You got 10 seconds and I'm fucking out. I'm not lying. Yeah, dude, we got to fucking go. We're getting over here. Come on, out the back door, out the back door. Go, go, go. Wait. We're over here, you guys.
There he goes.
I am, dude. I'm on a roll.
There on the wall.
Is that everybody? That's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
Game!
Yeah.
Lee is captain.
Oh, fuck.
I can't be captain twice in a row.
All right.
Down there.
Okay.
Okay, down there.
Do we have another self-nominated captain?
One more captain.
First round draft pick. Second, maybe third rounder. Top 10 at least.
All right, we're going out into the Willows. We've got flags, real flags.
They're not the metal ones that slice people's arteries. Poor Timmy, I mean.
The guy over here with the shotgun, he's going to be up over here.
Yeah, he's gonna stay
You guys
here
can
and
like
help us hold
coordinate
the
and
flag.
Time?
So you and me, we'll sit here with your cousin and shit.
Is it? I think so. It is time.
All right, game on, guys. How we do that?
Fucking A, right? All right. Okay, guys. We're almost home.
Almost home. Come
A
on.
little bit further to go. Yellow flag coming in.
Hello.
Yeah. I call that a game. Yeah. Game! Yeah! All right, turn, ready, go. Step on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn, shoot.
Hell, didn't even have them loaded.
Oh! Oh!
Literally, this shit smoked it.
I thought
Right
it
in
was
the
on single shot.
fucking
I didn't
face.
screen.
No, it's alright. I think I almost had him though. I was close.